How to get truck insurance in USA. The best commercial truck insurance companies for 2021. Brandon Medina, last update July 16, 2021. Commercial truck insurance is coverage that protects trucking businesses that use trucks or independent truck drivers. This guide will cover of all the information business owners and contractors should know when buying commercial truck insurance. More specifically, this guide will review how commercial truck insurance works, how much it costs, different coverage options, requirements of our business, how to get a truck insurance quote, and the top insurance providers. Being before diving into detail, here is a review of our top trucks. Instead of providing a list of the top 10 commercial trucking insurance companies, we have boiled our research down to the three best providers to choose from: State Farm, Nationwide, Progressive. Understanding commercial truck insurance. Commercial truck insurance is a significant investment for business owners. Before signing up for a policy, it is important to understanding the coverage that your business needs to and to the adhere to federal state law. The guide will first provide an overview of commercial truck insurance, including the type of coverage, cost, and legal requirements. Then we'll review how to evaluate different providers and share some recommendation for top insurance companies that cover commercial trucks. What is common commercial truck insurance? Commercial truck insurance refers to a series of auto insurance policies used by trucking business companies that use trucks or independent truck drivers. The purpose of this insurance is to provide financial and legal protection from bodily injury and property damage, as well as to provide coverage for specialized cargo and trucking equipment. Unlike commercial auto insurance, which covers a wide range of vehicle used for business purposes, commercial trucking insurance applies to large vehicles such as semi-trucks, often used for construction, transport of goods or agriculture. Commercial truck insurance takes into account the types of cargo or material being transported, as well as the size and type of vehicle. Policies are available for the many types of commercial truck, including two trucks, cement mixer pickups, and tractors. How does commercial truck insurance work? Commercial truck insurance falls under the broader category of commercial auto insurance. However, commercial trucking insurance is specifically used by truck drivers and businesses that use trucks. Truck insurance is purchased to cover specific vehicles, and it is most often purchased by the owner of those vehicles. The insurance also only applies when individuals who are listed on the insurance policy are using the vehicle for business purposes. The individual listed on the policy will also determine the cost of the policy, as their driving record is an important factor for determining monthly premiums. The type of business and individuals that buy usually fall into the following categories. Motor carriers. This refers to hired trucking companies that own a fleet of vehicles. They are responsible for insuring their fleet owner operator. These are individuals who own and operate their own trucking business. This phrase most often refers to individuals and they most often own their vehicle. Sometimes the owner is leasing their vehicle from a motor carrier who own it, and in these cases the vehicle is usually insured by its owner. Private carrier. These are individuals who use their personal vehicle to transport goods on behalf of their employer. People who frequently transport goods for their company using their personal vehicle may be asked by their own insurance or may be compensated by their employer for insurance cost. Any of these business can purchase commercial truck insurance. Coverage is available for a single box truck or for an entire fleet of semi trucks. When choosing a policy, the owner must work with an insurance company to define these factors. Coverage defined with damage, incident, and expenses will be covered. The amount of money that the policy holder must pay to retain the policy. Deductible. The amount of money a covered company must pay toward their claim before coverage kicks in. Policy limit. The defined maximum that the insurer is required to pay toward claims filed on the policy. The policyholder pays a monthly premium for the coverage specified in the policy agreement. Under the terms of the agreement, the insurance company will pay for damage, repairs, and medical or legal expenses associated with the covered incident. Usually, an incident is only covered when the vehicle is listed on the policy, the driver is listed on the policy, and the incident occurs during business operations.